PM and candidate Runiel Debbarma of the Tipra Motha Party for the 14 Bojong Nagar Wakinagar constituency officially exercised his franchise today at Kumarbil JB School during the TTAADC Elections and conducted an extensive field tour visiting various polling stations across the constituency. Polling for the 28 seats of the TTAADC commenced today at 7 am. In the Bojong Nagar Wakinagar constituency, candidate Runiel Debbarma expressed strong confidence in a reviewed victory for Tipra Motha, recalling the 2021 electoral results where he secured a seat with 15,724 votes compared to the BJP's 5,323. Debbarma stated that the party is poised for a similar triumph in the 2026 elections.
General election to Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council 2026. Tini jotono saimano hashtag nangai no TTAADC area khoboi o chongmari khlaijagi tongo. Paithak je thangnayo je election campaign khaimani noi mangka jeng hasne dalbidal kereng thayo dalbidal political parties ni juda candidate tokne khaktaino jeng election campaign, political rally, door to door election campaign, mass gathering, market gathering, public meeting aba hakino jeng election angna sakang kabama jaga wa mahai political je meeting marok noi manka abani aboni karinyo abono paithak ni salangnya jeng tini 12 April 2026 general election to TTAADC ngui tongo oba hakena tabuk jeng phai sokpai kwa Chini Khorang ni team ang Runiel Debbarma ani logi tongo cameraman Boya Debbarma jeng phai sokpai je obicharon kamio obongka 14 Bojong Nagar Wakinagar constituency ni jurisdiction no hai ke ba bini andorono kaisa polling station hangkai 14-16 para hangkai obicharon tai Modu Chaudhary High Secondary School ni je thayono je polling station khlaijak 14-15 number o constituency ni ani inkologo o kami amsani no lokorok phung aisiri ni simino borok phailai nai wong ni je electoral rights hai ke ba universal adult franchise je Indian constitution sungno je rights mani a election ni borok o vote kaisa ni dam o vote kaisa onek value tongo o vote kaisa na decide khayo bo party politically ba bo party election jit mani ya government form khaine o kaisa vote belaino important belaino morok belaino tam sanai precious ni mano oba hakino o electoral right no borok practice khanya bagai na bongni vote no cast khanya bagai faisok baja o amsani lokorok joton line basale phung aimani semi kei phadi chengtabu o kamini amsani lokorok bain cheng kok sanan chaitok laine yango sagari bahai tini bu kami o ni sinimu
tini tobo Modu Chaudhary school tini bu chol sinai kai sok phungni soitan tini no aramarongka
tini bahai matong taklai norok to chongmari to bisi burung 5 bosor porngena ri phaimani taklai ni o chongmari le bahai matong slai mung dong
ani bukhaga ekdom srai cholinai
bahai nong no am chayole sabun yang bisi boyar no bar sip sai tong
boyar to abo to tini yang no choli boyar kaham kaino
get bahai tini phungni marok to sai phekena bla
mai to saya ko tiffin simi khai phekya
tiffin khai phai khapuri je bo
o kaham nunyot mai mucha ya tiffin simi khai pheketa
geni ni o je si kongsani je tini ni o vote mari boro thanan nai tong bai ma tong
obo bo shotni sino tini ya si kongsani mani cha
thinang ni bagai tai kono kok sana re musum jono no hastini lukorok jotto nogui tong tabok jotto no tini ni o chongmer no tai tam kok kasana musum
jotto no kaham kai thanga kai ang kaham no chung sasa nuksine cha
tini election na phaimani bai ma tong kuno kebuni dagi mumbai je phainani kapuri na
kebuni dagi mumbai ya ang na phayo ko buddha na hanai
omo para hangga tam hanjang nong nemu obicharon
Modu Chaudhary
nana nenglai bahai takalin o election ti bahai ma tongja
phai ba tong la
tini thanai to norok ri phakya bamprom sarkar 20-25 bosor tongi election ri phaimani dofar me bagai tam hamkarai ro khaiman nukjak taklai o chongbari no tele bahai bosu jorte khakamung tong o chongbari paisi ni Tipra solo korong hamkarai ngai
phai ba tong la
chabono khapurjak nanglai yang to andro raja no naita nong ni amsai ro ko tura phakya bo taklai o chongbari ni sakang ro ko
phakya
tam puito tong ba je tomong no Tipra Motha te wisa raja ni thanchani mari nai segi tomong no chongmari kaplai ngi phagyang ke nong ni amsani bagai ba lukorong ni bagai tam bumai kaham samung manan thangi ta habus ke saide ma
awa tam ni same se
Tamni bagi Tamni bagi Tipra Motha vote
Kaham nang nai cha.
Rajana Tamni bagi vote nai
So hamana bagi rata hano.
Hamana bagi Dofa thangna bagi Chini Pasabuti
Thangna bagi.
Sinangni jorani bagi Abun bagi buwagra no vote na phai
Marata.
Tai kono kok sana bujin je bukha kholo goi nang tini no election tai tam sana
Aro nang phata bakaba.
Nana ni sinamong
ha ani mongkai kalpana Debbarma
para ke
para khai oron matra jiri
mairok sai phai ke
mai sai phaika
bahai ma tang tini to nang oro election vote nani ni phayo nanglai sabona khafur ja
BJP
no tamni bagi BJP no vote na muso
Chini jati bani bagi Thangnani lama
Thangmani lama to Tipra Motha rokse bubagra se kok sai tongo BJP o tangi vote nai
so awon bagi nyore nai cha Chini jati ni bagi Tisana ni bagi Otorong ni bagi
BJP no
Chini raja ni bagi
raja ni bagi dere nai BJP ni raja to Tipra Motha
ha othana borok no
Motha ni o ni kedni ni vote boro thana nai to Motha wa thana BJP wa
Siloron thana chai ko Motha ni hochen pai utang
Abo no ke ta tomong no raja keplaing phegang ke tamorok nang kono mungkhase kami amchai Tipra solo ga hampran bagi tamrok sana musung nai tongai or no joto nugui tong ta hasen no kon kok sana da musung
Tiri bot ni bodin song tahatok borok no nugui chan no nugui tahatok hama tong bale ham
Runiel Debbarma, the Tipra Motha candidate for Bojongnagar Wakinagar constituency, was seen casting his ballot at Kumarbil JB School this morning. In a feature interview with Chini Khorang, the candidate shared his insights on the ongoing TTAADC polls.
Sir, the Tajingo Sung Aro Nui Paka Tabu and Busak polling station, Tangi cover Kaita or 5 or Bukami payment.
Tabu and Obisorono and Kumarbil Nipore Lefu Tanka, Dain Maravo, Mokamo, Borkatalo, and Dugray Maya Watu. Inke ompore chakmawo inke ompore joy chandra tawo bicharono ompore direct ang bonigo chomni thana
Sir chunnuge mono ni je political rally election campaign khaipurun chimeno ni constituency o lokorok ni khapurmani to yang bobagran thani no ba ni candidate ni bukhak no sunuge mono tini bo oro kabang kuk lokorok mathana hamjage bobagran hamjage thanchao no vote nani phaileman no oba hakeno da onyo polling station ogole bum high ground iporok matong
joto jagano Indican Laitamo, Tansani Pano, Bubagrana, Tipra Motha Party no, and Rosamario. Kanki Kuwike, the Chobak Laitonai, Kuwike, the Tiprasani Mante Chokta in Bagichiri Kogitonai. Inte he Bodolono, Taklaibo, Tipra Sabosong, Inte he Party no, Bodonai Ebo, Kuplai Bakane, Tai, Tansani Pano, Kuplai Kane, Tansani Panman, Tiprasani Pan. Unkemkina, Jotana, reading Lizak to Herring Lizak, Ebon, Budbur Light on Dicana. Zato Zaganukana. That was 20-30% Paka. But out of 50% in Paka.
Tanai Salkes, Gangor, Kisa political violence in Kaje, Kasha Party and Takasha Party Bula Lemani, Nizibe Nizi, talk like why violence among Nuitum. Dini has a crucial election or TTAADC Chongmari. Dini dino Tomong smoothly election in a Tangi Tombakuno, Naimatang Bodon, Buhak the buses or strict regulation.
Naimatang Bodon was strict Nahari Tonjago. I won't out the Kuno Kotna Knego, Sinchot the Bujono, Pono, all over the ADC constituency, Tomonakun, Japan, Tausus or Kaneko, they won't come and Soline, Tipra Motha Party, violence no support Kaya, Tipra Motha Party, Subsumi Kathala, Tiprasep, Kathala Tonani, Omona Messes Rubagrabo, Omona Nasigino, Jotono Pantonizak, Ebon Andrusumari, Buduri, Kaplak Lenzen, Joton Toiling.
Fadi tabu oro chungno gimanka TTAADC ni je Tipra Motha ni candidate Runiel Debbarma phai sopai khwa tewisha aro thajing kaisa kamio hai ke ba vote vini kas khai phakya anke abon yaglo bo oba hakino dalbedal polling station thangai vini vote je voter sok bai kok salai tonglayo ground report bahai nai tungu mane election tui khangke chung Tripura ni history nai thangangke जों साइमानो बिसि गदगमा जरनि सिमि जे चिं त्रिपुरा हास आगि प्रिन्सली स्टेट तंमानि यागलो जे इंडिया बाय मर्ज इंगि थांगा अब पुरन सिमनो जे हिस्ट्री नानि खांगे त्रिपुरा मैक्सिमम इलेक्शन जरो वायलेंस इंगिनो फाइमानि नगु हाइफनो ताकलाय बिसिनि ओ क्रुशियल इलेक्शन TTAADC बेलाय क्रुशियल हंजागो अब हाकिनो ताकलाय बिसिनि ओ चंगमारि बिनि कन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ओ 14 Bojongnagar constituency o kono mungsa kebeng mung dera mung walai suklai aba hai engya tei kheno joto candidate hai ke ba police ni thega ba haino CRPF Central Reserve Police Forces Central Paramilitary Forces obaken Tripura police no include khaino jotto jaga maximum police deploy khaijak kono der mong ni atekino obaken toro phai sok baje chini EM candidate jing tabuk o kamini yagolo o polling station yagolo jing o constituency no dalbedal polling station thamnai tongo awoni bagai no chini khorang mai krengi tongne jing no joton live na bai chai de tongo haino bagai jing tabuk tai khai ja thangnai no tebo ma hai mang place phone thangai tong.
After casting his ballot, he conducted an extensive field visit to various polling stations throughout the constituency to monitor the voting process. Reported by Nelson and Boyer from Hezamara, Chini, Khorang.